Everybody's okay. So right now, currently warming up some stuff in the morning, but in the bathroom filling up some water first. I'm actually doing some work as well. I have a lot of editing to do right now. I have a lot of editing to do because I'm working guys. I don't know if my face or anything because I'm just going to start vlog because I know this is daily update. So I'm going to tell them to come on bed. Babe wants to work. So you'll be home later. So let's see what I plan to do while babe's not here. Yeah. So guys, I'm continuing this video. And for everyone who's always asking, I use Premiere Pro, okay? Okay, this is what it looks like. So Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. So let me get back to editing right now. So guys, so I'll make some chicken foot soup. Babe there put up some chicken foot. Check. Oh no. Hey guys, I'm feeling sick. I have a little flu. I'm gonna look crazy because I look crazy. Normally me would have never come on. Let me mute that phone now. I'm actually gonna call. Me would have never would have never like but never like company camera like this got me really this is the true. And Petagaye make soup. Shut up, what for me she make soup. She don't make no soup for me. She doesn't make it because she wants it. So me just show her. But why you look on me? Stop look on me. Petagaye boyfriend. So me just show her, but if I show her, I'm gonna show her the kitchen and she not show that tune yet. So I'm not gonna do that. I can't get up, maybe. Yeah, me sit down. Look on the phone. I'm really feel sick. I took one Panadol. I'm making some orange juice. And then I make on the soup. Hopefully I can, digest the soup. Because your girl feel like everything I go come up and she's swallow. I'm so sore. I have a cool. I'm not really hot or nothing, but I'm just put on the sweater. So I got some. So yeah guys, put some prayer emoji in the comments. And some forget well soon, and due to this I can't even go work. Due to this we can't even go work because Jamaica now when you're working like when the organization open up, if you have a little flu, if you feel like your throat sore or whatever, you can't go work, and if you get paid you have to bring you like sick leave. You make them know say yo you never have corona because it's a big thing here now. We have much cases. Not even know. To tell you the truth, I can keep myself updated again, just wear my mask and do the usual. But you know, anybody can catch it, so I'm just a prayer say and I hit my arms. And you know the Lord is with me. So I'm gonna put like a fire emoji in the corner. When I see this, my mic recover already. If not, then the vlog continue. It's like I show me the hospital and all that. Yeah! It's not so far, girl. Maybe not so far, but me I say if. So yeah guys. Petagaye watch out the plate them. I be a chat that open door skip through this and I watch every single thing on myself. I watch the ads. I watch my sisters. Guys, go and check out my channel at Life as Angel. The link will be in the description box. And of course on the screen if she's not lazy enough, you know. Yeah, so yeah, thank you all for supporting me because me see my student love and I appreciate it. Like guys, I almost at 700. Let me actually check.
Get it to 1K.
I'm on the phone. I'm actually at 7. Oh, 692. So I'm almost at 7. And I'm so grateful because it's a short time. And you know, people growth come different, so I'm grateful. Anyways guys, be a chat to know out too much, so Petagaye will show another soup. Bye guys.
So guys, this is a soup. Chicken quick soup with pumpkin and all the goodness. Rich and nice. It's actually soon finished. But you know how to test out the Irish and the carrot. So what you normally do is use a knife, use a fork, and then you stick it. And if the fork goes through, that means it's ready. And there's a pumpkin. And I peel the skin off the pumpkin. So the little pumpkin don't take a lot of time, and then you put a lot of food in there, and I put some spinach dumpling. So yeah. This is my finished soup. Chin over there having hers. Can't believe see and babe there, right? This one. So yeah. So guys, I'm here. You know, and I'm here. The vlog is about saying Charlie. So the soup, it was bomb. Babe, you're not hearing me. Babe, how was the soup? Good, man. So like it. And she like it too. So hopefully she'll see you later. And babe was sick a few days ago. We can't see you later. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for the constant love and support. Guys, you're a real one. You're a real one. Like all the love in my DMs. You guys like my pictures on Instagram. You guys follow me on Snapchat and TikTok. You guys are wonderful, right? And for the persons who are using my discount code for Lulu Holistics for your 15% off, big up yourself. Big up anyone who have donated to my channel via PayPal. Big up yourself. So just a note from you guys are watching my videos, just big up yourself, because you never have to watch my video, no? You never have to subscribe, you never have to like. So just big up yourself, and thanks again for the persons who are actually watching my ads as well. Everybody, come and see this, big up yourself. And what I'm planning to do now, I'm going to start put the comments, like a little small shout out. I used to do it in the past and I stopped. To be honest, I got lazy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start do post notification and shoutouts at the end of the video. No, not in the end. Because I know that some of you guys will just comment and scroll to the end of the video to see if you got shoutouts. So I want to put the comments within the video so you have to watch the video to see if you got shoutout. Yeah. I want to do that. So I might do it on this vlog or maybe upcoming vlogs. So yeah, any more updates? Oh, my hair. This is the first day. No, second day. It's okay. It's just the front. So you know, baby hair. But otherwise, it's going on good. And one thing I like about crochet, it takes little time, but braids actually take longer. And it's actually the same amount of money to buy the braids for the crochet. So I would say it's cost effective. So it's actually the same because expression is like $800. And this type of crochet is around $800 as well. So yeah, yeah, and I've seen that you guys all even provided me with your ideas. Yes guys, I'm trying to take all those video ideas into consideration as well. Guys, as you guys can see, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And as I mentioned, I want to do a giveaway once I hit 5,000 subscribers. And it wouldn't have been possible without you guys. So that's what I have to say. Yeah, so all the information are actually in the description box, like my social, Chin. Some of you guys are asking for Chin channel, guys. My sister's channel is Life of Angel. Our link is supposed to be in my description box or in the comment section, or maybe she comments also. So definitely go over there, show Chin some love. Let her know that Petagaye send y'all. Get her to 1K and watch her videos so she can get her watch time. So I think that's it. So thank you again guys for the love and support. You're a real one. Big up on yourself. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And guys, let me know if you're enjoying the daily uploads as well in the comment section. So, bye bye, good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same not how they call this vlog, but you guys say want vlog, so I'm not vlogging for y'all. So yeah, adios, bye bye.